How to solve unknown device found in the device manager of your computer. Let's start. As you can see, there are unknown devices found in my laptop's device manager. I already updated the system, but these unknown device messages won't disappear. We are now going to manually install the needed device driver to solve the problem. Right-click the unknown device. Then click Properties. Next, click Details. Click the Property drop-down menu and select Hardware IDs. Right-click the second ID, then click Copy. Open your internet browser. Paste the ID, then type driver download. When done, press Enter to proceed. Click the result with driver pack. In the driver pack website, you will see the page for the missing driver that you wanted to install. Click the download zip link to download the needed driver. Wait for the download to finish. When done, go to the location of your zip file. Right-click the zip file and extract it. Inside the extracted folder, you will see there the driver that we needed. Back to the device manager. Right-click again the unknown device. Then click Update Driver. Next, click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then browse for the location of your extracted folder that contains the driver. When done, press OK. Next, press Next to proceed. Wait for the installation to finish. When done, you will see now that the driver is successfully installed. Click Close to proceed. You will then see in my case that the unknown device is a firmware driver. It is now installed and is listed under firmware. Do the same for the rest of the unknown device if there is more to install. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. If you have a question, just leave a comment below. Thank you.